Easyship, a dropshipping game changer? Let's dive into my experience. Find links below. Easyship simplifies shipping for e-commerce and drop shippers. It offers multiple carriers, automated calculations, and streamlined fulfillment. A must-have for optimizing shipping and reducing costs. Easyship integrates with over 250 carriers worldwide: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and more. Compare rates and delivery times for the best option. Direct integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce makes syncing easy. Real-time shipping rates at checkout, based on location and package details, improve customer experience. Automated duty and tax calculations prevent international surprises. Generate bulk shipping labels, saving valuable time. Tracking updates for you and your customers ensure smooth communication. Customize tracking pages and emails to reflect your brand, building trust. Easyship simplifies global shipping with duty and tax prepayment. Expand into new markets effortlessly. While some advanced features may increase costs for smaller businesses, the efficiency and time savings are often worthwhile. Easyship is excellent for drop shippers needing comprehensive shipping management. Streamline logistics, reduce costs, and boost customer satisfaction. Its multi-carrier network, automation, and global capabilities make it a top-tier solution. Check the links below to explore Easyship and see if it fits your dropshipping goals. This review should help you decide if Easyship is right for your business.